Greetings traders, it's Wednesday, October 10th, 2018. I've got a short position here, just taking it. I'm coming in a little bit late here, and but I'm jumping in using a code 2 entry. I actually have two code 2 entries to go short. So I'm in on one of them, and let's see here. Let's take a look at the daily. I've got a 60 tick exit on this, but I may go for more than that. Let's just wait and see how it handles this here. If it continues to go down here, it gets real slippery, I'll go ahead and go for 100 ticks. I'm just going to watch it here for a bit. If it gets there pretty quickly, it's 6:39 now, gets there pretty quickly, I'll go ahead and switch it to a 100 tick exit. I'll be back. I know all you charting subscribers should have already been in. You already have a better entry than me, but I'm not sure what the entry would be. But you're definitely in before me. So you probably got an extra 20, 30 ticks on me or something like that. Let's see here. Oh, maybe not that much. Yeah, maybe about 20 ticks or so. Anyway, 60 tick exit, sitting down at 73.84, and I may go for 100. I'll come back. The daily looks pretty good right there for going for more than just 60 ticks. We're sitting right there at the bottom. It looks really good, so let's go ahead and go for it. I think we can hit it. Got to learn to go for these trades. 74.44. Bring it down to 44. Hmm. 73.44 for 100 tick trade. Daily's looking good. 10 minutes looking good. Got a pretty good shot at it right here. Okay, I will come back. I'm adjusting the stop down to 37. And if it were to hit this stop right here at 37, which actually locks in a little profit, right? Get the lock in a little profit. But if that stop gets hit, that means I take a long position using a code 2 breakout technique. Now, is that cool or what? I've already been able to figure that out. That if it hits this stop, that price, and the stop gets hit, that means that I am going to take a long position because it's going to go up off of code 2. Amazing what the code can do, is it not? And be right. And that's a breakout technique, so it's definitely going to be right. Anyway, I will be back. Otherwise, guess what's going to happen? This is going to go back down. And go all the way back down, and probably going to go down a lot today. Daily looks good for it anyway. Anyway, I will come back. But you've heard before of plan your trade and trade your plan. The codes are the ultimate plan your trade and trade your plan type system to really take advantage of that. And it really keeps you a disciplined trader, as long as you keep yourself disciplined, obviously. As long as you stick to the codes. And then you do really super well. It's making a nice little move down here. Still got a ways to go. It just needs to come down to 73.44 for 100 ticks. I'll be back. Okay, I have just reversed the position. I now have a long entry using code 2. Code 2 says to go long now. Resetting the stop. Stop is going to be set to 73.69. 73.69 on the stop. It's a little bit big there. 73.69 on the stop, confirming the stop. Yes, that's correct. 73.69. Okay, I'm going to go for 60 ticks on this one. 60 tick trade, taking it back up to 74.58. This should be an easy trade right here. Should be an easy win. Just going to go for 60 ticks. It might make it more than that. Let's go check the daily, see what it looks like. Daily doesn't look good. Daily doesn't look good for it to snap all the way back like that. Well, regardless of what the daily looks like or doesn't, I am playing the code 2, and code 2 says to go long. And the code 2, let's see, let me think about this. This code 2 should be worth 60 ticks. So I'm going for it. 60 tick trade, code 2 entry here. Now, if the stop were to come down and get hit, that's a big stop. What is that? 69, 79, 89, 99. Ooh, 30 ticks. Wouldn't want that stop to get hit. Take a look at this. Now the code's going to be good. It should go up. But if the stop did get hit, what I would do is I would take it short. But I don't think the stop's going to get hit. It's going to go up from here. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, it came down and hit the stop. I've had to take a short entry there. I'll be right back. I'm going to set the stop. I got the entry wrong on that last trade, but this is a confirmation of a breakout technique, so it is definitely a short entry. And it should go down a lot from here because this is a main code. So apparently this big red bar is going to turn into a much larger red bar. So I am going to go for at least 60 ticks on this trade. Where am I at here? I'm sitting at 73.06. Let me just leave it there for the time being. I may increase that to 100 ticks. I'll come back. It's moving down nicely here. Just got a little ways to go down to 73.06 for a 60 tick trade. At that point, I'm going to call it a day. Getting kind of late here. What time is it? I got 10:08 out here p.m. So I'm just going to go for this last 60 ticks and I'm done for today. I'll be back. It's 20 ticks away here. Coming down. Starting to bounce a little bit. Not going to go for this bounce. It's still going to go lower. In fact, I could probably go for more ticks. Let's go check out how much is this bar worth so far. This bar, 75.08, 73.19. That's less than 200 ticks right there. This bar could easily be like a 300 tick bar. I could go for more ticks. Yeah, but I don't want to wait. I really don't want to wait. I'm just going to go for the 60 ticks and we'll call it a day. It'll make it. I'll be back. I think I'm going to go for a few extra ticks here. See how it handles the code here. Let me think about this. If it gives another short entry, it's just going to continue to go down. Right? Yeah, off the code 2. Or code 2 special. Gotta go for more ticks here. Alright, 06, 96, 86. That's an extra 20. That's 80 ticks. Let's go for that. Taking it down to 72.86 for an 80 tick trade. I'll come back. See, it's not that hard to make money, you know, trading oil, especially, of course, using the codes. But if you don't go for the trades, then you're just not going to be successful, really. You really need to hit big trades. This is how you get yourself way ahead, and then maybe you lose at 1 or 2 or something, if you're not that good using the codes, but then you hit a big trade again, and boom, you get way ahead. And then you hit back to back 2 big trades, and boom, now you're way ahead. And this just allows you to have like success, and just to keep going forward, and do really well as long as you're disciplined and everything. But anyway, as you can see, all you have to do is go short anywhere, and you right? It's not super hard to do. But of course, every day isn't like this, though. That's why you have to have the codes, so you know where your entries are. Anyway, I'll be back. I may just bail out here. I don't have really time to spend with this. I want to get going, and it's starting to bounce a little bit, and it's a possibility that it could bounce here. It is definitely a mathematical possibility. It could use the code 2 to do it with. Alright, let me just jump out. Okay, out of that trade and done for today. I will be back tomorrow. The news is coming out at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I'm going to take the news and use a code 2 Newsday entry. It's usually always a pretty easy day for the Newsday. Which today was an easy day too. Could have been easier though, right? But actually, no, it was easy. Okay, I'm going to get going. Hope all of you traders are doing well, especially you charting subscribers. You should be nailing these trades. Pretty simple stuff. It's been easy lately, so it's good. Always good to have easy days, because you have hard days on, they're not all easy. Some days are kind of difficult, but not really if you know the codes, right? You don't seem to be struggling that much using the codes. So anyway, hope all of you traders are doing well. If you don't know about code trading, you need to get involved and learn about the codes that I teach and everything, and start becoming a code trader, because you shouldn't be trading without using the codes, that's for sure. Okay, I'm going to get going. Happy trading out there, everyone. See you tomorrow.